if f of x is equal to negative 2x squared plus 5x minus 6, and g of x is equal to 7x minus 3, find each of the following. Moving to part B now, we'd like to find f plus g of x. Let's go ahead and write that next as, that's f of x plus g of x. So we're going to add these two functions together. F of x is negative 2x squared plus 5x minus 6. Add that to g of x, which is 7x minus 3. Combine like terms. Out in front, we have a negative 2x squared. 5x plus 7x is 12x. Negative 6 and a negative 3 is a negative 9. So f plus g of x is equal to negative 2x squared plus 12x minus 9.